Hello, my sweet angels. I know you're all locked in the house, and I've been reading your messages. A lot of you can't cook, and so today we're going to show you how. Doodaloo, doodaloo, cooking with Uncle Rell. We're going to make some sweet potato fries, and we got some chicken we've marinated with some yogurt and sofrito. So stay tuned. We've taken chicken breasts and we've cut them into patties. We've marinated them in yogurt and Jadi's mom's homemade sofrito. Take some panko breadcrumbs and bread them in that. Jadi, can you translate that for our Latinx viewers? No? All right, never mind. I bread these in our panko like this. This is our most important step of the night. Make sure you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds under some scalding hot water. It doesn't matter if you burn yourself. You're also burning this virus off your hands.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Okay. Wash your hands.
No, that's a made up song. They tell people to sing.
For 20 seconds?
Yeah.
What's a 20-second song? Shit. Shit.
What not to do.
Okay. Now what we're going to do is season our patties. We put some salt in our marinade, and the sofrito also has just a ton of flavor. So instead of salt, we're just going to put a little bit of cracked black pepper on it. We're going to take it over to our pan and fry them up. Use olive oil. You can use like a combination of something like an avocado oil if you have it. So here we go. Turn your pan all the way up to high. Now we flipping these bad boys. Nice golden brown, crispy crust on this thing. Let them cook for a little bit longer on the other side, and then we'll pop them into the oven until they're cooked through. We'll add mad salt for that. Cut our sweet potato fries into fries, say about a 1/4 inch each piece. There we go. We got our fries.
Wow.
Oh, look at that one.
Looks like a little mustache.
What if I had a mustache like that? Would you love me?
Probably.
Yeah, we'll add mad salt for that. Dump those in, and we want to let these boil for, I would say, about 8 minutes. Our sweet potato fries are done boiling. You don't want to boil them too long. Like I said, about 8 minutes. Slight bend. Flimsy. So flimsy ass. I'll run out of cornstarch, but I'm going to use a little bit of baking powder. I like cornstarch usually because it actually dries out the skin, which gives you a super crispy exterior. I've actually experimented with little baking powder in the past, and it makes it crispy as well. Still fun fact for you. Now we're going to fry our fries. You always want to test your oil. When you see those bubbles around, you just drop that bad boy in. The key is to fry them the first time on lower temperature so that they cook through. And then we're going to take them out, increase the heat of the oil, and refry them for a second time to get a nice crispy crust on the outside. We got our first fry on our sweet potato fries. We got a nice little crust. We've cooked the fries through, and we've turned up our oil to an extremely high temperature so that we can get a nice crisp on them when we fry them the second time. Put a little salt. See how crispy them bad boys is. Now, that's your good. Taste that. You got it in there? We got some mayonnaise. We got some mango pickle. We've also got some yogurt. If you've never had this, it's kind of like a spicy, sour, truly packs a punch when you eat it. And mixed with a yogurt and mango, it brings it down so that you just get the flavor of it. All right, like this. $2.49, are you kidding me? It's unheard of. So about that much. About that much. And you got yourself a sauce, ladies and gentlemen. This is a fun recipe because you could plate it with bread or without bread. When making Jadi's, we've been eating so many sandwiches that we won't make hers without any bread. Mine are in the oven, putting some cheese on them bad boys. Our fries ready now. Put a dressing on the top of hers. This big ass plate. You should have gave this one. I'm just gonna dress the bread, all right? And there we have it, folks. Ooh. On the garden burger. From Uncle Rell's kitchen to yours. I want you all to stay safe. Keep your head up. This too shall pass. Cheers. Alright, damn. It's that good. If you can't cook at home, we'll keep putting some videos out so you can learn how to make some easy stuff while you're in the crib. And hit me up if you got questions, alright? Cheers. Doodaloo-doo, doodaloo-doo-doo, cooking with Uncle Rell.